In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make the map icons a lot larger so they're easier to see here in Battlefield RedSec. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and navigate into your settings and go on this left-hand sidebar and select HUD over here. And from here, just scroll down a little bit until you see this advanced HUD and icon settings option, just like so. Now this is very important. If you don't adjust these, everything is going to stay tiny on the screen. But begin by increasing your big map opacity by turning this all up. If you set it to 100%, your map's going to be a lot easier to read without it looking see-through or distorted. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a bunch of different options. I would start with this icons and indicators section and just turn this up all the way as well. As long as you set all these next settings to around 135 to 150%, you should be good to go. But turn up the intensity first just so that it isn't see-through. For the objective icon scales, I recommend putting this around 150%. For the friendly icon scales, I recommend putting this around 135 to 150%. For the friendly revive icons, I recommend putting this around 135%. For the squad icons, I recommend putting this around 150%. For the enemy icons, I recommend putting this around 150% as well, or at least lower the dots if it does feel too big. And for the neutral zones, I recommend putting this around 135%. 100 is just too small. Once you do bump these up, everything is going to be so much easier to spot on the screen. But after you do adjust these sliders, back out to the game. And if it doesn't let you back out right away, go over to your profile tab and then return to the game. And you'll notice that your icons are going to be much larger and easier to see, especially if you do use a wider field of view. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.